Students, are you looking for a job or internship? Use your resume to make yourself stand out. The AWS Academic Advocacy Team has 3 tips to help make your resume stand out. Tip number 1, focus your content on the most relevant experiences you've had to date. Internships, part-time jobs, projects you did in school or did on a personal basis. These are all great options to list on your resume. There's no need to list everything you've done. Just choose the most relevant experiences that you've had to date. An ideal resume is 1 page, single-sided. Tip number 2, start bullets with strong action verbs. Created, initiated, analyzed, developed. All of these show actions that you took within a specific context to deliver results. Strong bullets start with an action verb, provide some context, and always end with results. A, C, R. Tip number 3, quantify results as much as you can. Results are what make a resume different from a job description. Some examples of estimations that you could use are things like increasing traffic year over year, growing revenue X%. When you cannot quantify the results, qualitative results are good too. Examples are increasing brand awareness, customer satisfaction. Results are key to making a resume impactful. To learn more, the AWS Academic Advocacy Team has tools and resources to help you get started in your cloud career. Check it out on our Student Hub. The link is available in the description below.